Hello. A comment encoding is used to add explanation to the source code to make it more readable. A comment will not be seen by the interpreter and will just be skipped when the program is run. Single-line comments in Python are made using the hash sign. Officially, there are no multi-line comments, but you can use triple quotations. Variables are used to store information to be referenced and manipulated in a computer program. There are three major variable types: integers, that are numbers without decimals; floats, that are numbers with decimals; strings, that are used for data values that are made up of ordered sequences of characters. You create a variable by first writing the variable name, then the assignment operator, which is the equals to sign, then the value. The print function outputs whatever is in between the brackets into the command line. You can use an F string to combine variables and text at the same time. Please like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions.